still vacant lots in the subdivision but that are not allowed to be used para po pagsampayan ng inyong mga nilabhan. So, it will be hung inside your unit kasi talaga po even our other residents that are living there already, they maintain that the clothesline or yung mga sampayan nila is inside the units. So, yun po. Bawal po sa labas ang sampay. Di po pwedeng makita kayong puno, paglalagay po tayo doon ng kawad, doon po magsasampay. That is not allowed po. So, the right of way, of course, ang right of way po natin, it should not be used as, kasi meron po tayong mga alley. It should not be used as yung kung meron kang itatambak, halimbawa, gagamitin mo na, pwede mo muna doon ilagay yung gamit, hindi po pwede. Okay? Hindi po pwede siyang maging temporary storage. So, the trees and plants, of course, the plants can be planted. Meron po tayong space in front of your house units na pwede po ninyo i-landscape so that you can have good passage for your units. So, yun po. And then, so the public facilities and utilities, we have the clubhouse there. And an open court, it can be used for your recreational activities such as basketball or holding of meetings. However, it should not be used for your drinking sessions. Okay? And even the drinking sessions are not allowed along the road. If you will have the drinking sessions, it should be inside your house. Okay? Kasi po, mangyayari, we are maintaining in the Lipeño Heights subdivision as the first-class subdivision of the local housing program of the City Mayor. So it should not be like other socialized housing subdivision that we have in the city na kapag may event po or the family has an occasion, nandun sila nagiinuman hanggang hating gabi. But in Lipeño Heights subdivision, it is different. The concrete cars or gutters, hindi rin po siya pwedeng di ba, syempre, minsan nahihirapan kayo mag-park. So, tatabtabin yung curbs or gutters po. O kaya naman, ayaw ninyo nung water meter doon sa position. It should not be allowed. It is not allowed na yung water meter or electric meter ito transfer po ninyo. Kasi there are connections that might be affected. Okay? So, ano pa po yung natin? So, yun nga po yung drinking sessions, hindi po talaga siya ina-allow. And the dress code, of course, ay bawal po yung hubad. Wala naman hong lalakad siguro doon ng hubo. Kalimitan is lalaki yung hubad or nakaapa. Okay? Hindi po pwede po yan. Okay? Meron din naman po tayong batas national na hindi naman ina-allow yung mga hubad-baro na naglalakad sa kalye. Okay? So, yun po yung dress code natin. And the closure of roads. Halimbawa po, meron kayong gagawin nga na hindi natin huwag na ilalapit, magkaroon ng lamay. Yun po ipapaalam din sa city government that you will be closing one side of the road para po doon sa wake ng if there are burial na activity. Okay? So, the most prohibited po talaga is the sale or the lease of lots. We have exempted na po yung talaga ang cooperative and that it is approved by the city mayor na for the qualifications, these are different from the qualification of the ISF and even the families from other applicants. This is different from the cooperatives. However, the units should be used talaga na tirahan and it should be used talaga by mismo the home occupants who have applied in the unit. Okay? And this should not be sale. Hindi rin po pwede siyang for rent. Yun po. So, the city government has reserved these rights and authority to impose penalties obtain damages for any pursue legal action against any violations that might occur. Okay. Any question?
Maliwanag naman yun.